Everybody, welcome to an Animal Jam video. So today, they're going to be catching scammer jammers. But as you saw before, we caught one on camera, which is really not good. So I'm not exactly trying to catch scammers. I'm not trying to get them banned or anything. I'm just trying to point out the people that are, because I think it's not a cool thing. And yeah, so trying to make a difference. Trade me feeling unwanted on needs to go. Okay, restaurant my den. Or I'll say it just this isn't working. Any giveaways? Come on, just one giveaway. Giveaways? I'm asking. Just give me what I want. My gosh. He's like, nope. He's just like, no. Okay, say whatever you want. It's another warrior cat. I love them warrior cats. My friend isn't on yet. Okay. Guess we're not catching scammers today if there aren't any. Well, too bad. I'll go to my friend's den. Oh wow, this is an Epic Wonders, and I know that it is. Oh, also, I have an Animal Jam account on an iPad if you guys want to go friend me there. It's called Killa and Bry. Killa with a K and 2 L's, I think. Yeah, with 2 L's. Come on, bro. I'm jumping on your phantom. Where is my friend? I want to, now it says he's on an adventure. That's what it did to me earlier. It's not my adventure. OMG. A lot of people do this, like you don't know who it is. There you go. Oh, well, your den's locked and you're like a noob. Lily Pons? Who is this person? What are you? Your friend? Oh. Oh. There you go. Okay, so, I said, oh. Yeah, guys, I gotta go to bed. It's 8:30, it's my bedtime. Gotta stop recording Animal Jam. Gotta, publish this really quick and edit it tomorrow. So, yeah. See you guys in another Animal Jam video, which will be very soon. So, bye, guys. See ya. See ya.